My name is Zara, and I live in the oldest village near the forest. I am a 6-year-old Muslim girl.
My name is Faraz and I am Blue Child Jinn, and I am 9 years old, living in the forest. I am from Genmo AI.
My name is Amina, and I am 7 years old, living in the forest. I am from Genmo AI.
Today, I will talk about how to create high-quality HD videos using a new AI tool named Genmo AI. You can generate videos of this quality, complete with text-to-video features, absolutely for free. You can watch the beautiful results generated by this AI tool, showcasing high-quality videos. Remember, you can create an unlimited number of text-to-video outputs using this AI tool. Watch till the end, like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Go to google.com, search for Genmo AI, and click on the Genmo.ai tool. Remember that you must be logged in to use this tool. Access is not available without logging in. You can log in with Google or using your email address. Click here to log into your account, then click Login with Google. I have also logged in with Google. Now, let's start Genmo to create the text-to-video. You can write your prompt here as you want. Let's try to understand how to write a correct prompt. Remember to write it clearly and analyze the prompt to help the AI generate the correct video as you desire. Let's see how I would write the prompt. First prompt example, a 6-year-old Muslim girl lives in the oldest village near the forest. Then, click the Submit button and wait until the video is generated successfully. As you can see, the result of the video is amazing and of high quality HD text to video. Watch it in full screen mode. Now, let's write the second prompt. A 7-year-old Muslim fairy with a beautiful view in the forest is flying in the sky. Then, click the Submit button. Wait until the video is generated. As you can see, the video is ready. Watch in full screen view. You can see that its result is in HD quality. Now, let's write the third prompt. A 9-year-old Muslim blue jinn lives in a tree in the forest. Then, click the Submit button. Wait until the video is generated successfully. Now, you can see the video has been generated successfully. Watch it in full screen view. Now, let's meet the video we generated from this AI tool.
What do you understand? Let's test if your power is better than mine. Let's text the magic power.
You are still like my children, son. Remember, strength is not tested against elders. No matter how powerful you are, you should not consider yourself lesser than anyone. Always seek blessings from the elders. It might help in difficult times.
You are right. Magic cannot be compared or tested on elders. Please forgive me and grant me your blessings, which may help me in difficult times.
No problem. I am happy that you can understand. I pray for you that Allah may bless you and grant you success at every step in life. I advise you to remember my advice in life. Use your power to help others, not to hurt anyone.
Thank you, elders.
Remember, it does not generate the voice of the video background. I generate the voice using another AI tool such as 11 Labs or Naraki. Now, let me tell you about the second feature of Genmo AI. You can create an image to video. Let's upload any image you want. Click the Upload Image button, upload your image. And when it's uploaded successfully, click Submit. Wait until the end for the image to video to be generated. As you can see, the image to video has been generated successfully. Let's view it in full screen mode. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.